we are going to the Foxbody Invasion in Richmond. I don't know how many cars are going to show up, so stay tuned. Life is about moving on again and again. New starts over and over again. The world keeps spinning, the grass keeps growing, and we keep moving on again and again. Hello, welcome back to the BoomerangStang channel. I'm Jess, and thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to the Foxbody Invasion in Richmond that I coordinated for my Foxbody friends because we were sad that Foxtoberfest was canceled. There's another event also going on in North Carolina today that is the Fox Gathering, so I hope that goes well for everyone there. First, I'm meeting up with some of my local friends here, and we're going to cruise down together. All right, so we're pulling into our first stop, which is where we're going to meet some members of the Get the Fox Out Virginia group to cruise down together. It's about an hour and a half away, so it should be a nice little cruise together. I think someone is just pulling up. First friend, first Fox. All right, so we have 5 cars. Super excited, but we have maybe an issue with one of them, so we'll see. Okay, we're making our way to Richmond, and we've got 4 total Foxbodies in our group. There's 3 behind me. We did lose one, unfortunately. Always something going on with these cars.
Transition from the woods to the sun. Transition from hyper to an X. Run, dive, call, shoot, got you in my sights next. Transition from big to small. Transition for a transition for the love of the game.
All right, we made it here, and we've got a couple cars here already. I'm so excited. So we will see how many show up. Okay, here we are. I'm about to show you the turnout we have so far. It's only 30 minutes in, and I am so excited.
Cameras in the daylight. Transition from a crawl to a run. Transition from the woods to the sun. Transition from hyper to an X. Run, dive, call, shoot, got you in my sights next. Transition from big to small. Transition so I sell you more. Transition for the love of the game. Take a dollar bill from the suits just the same. Transition from slow to fast. Transition, gotta make more cash. Transition, can you see me flex? 2015, 10, 5, man, what's next? Transition from a bird on the wire. Transition to Canadian Fire. Transition to martial law. Waiting for the TV deal. Yawn, 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 yawn. To the net. Transition isn't done just yet. Transition from a pig to the nation. Glued to the screen, it's a new sensation.
Well, I'm pretty satisfied with the turnout. I took a picture of every car. I think I got every car.
The other red, white, and blue is a beast. viper to an X. Run, dive, call, shoot, got you in my sights next. Transition from big to small. Transition so I sell you more. Transition for the love of the game. Take a dollar bill from the...
Okay guys, that's the end of our event. Thank you so much for tuning in today where we had a very successful Fox Invasion in Richmond, Virginia. I'm super happy with the turnout and I will put all the details below of the final numbers after I count them up. But thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and please leave a comment below of any Fox shows that you know of that are coming up soon, if there's any left for this year. Talk to you soon. Bye.
You made it to the Fox Gathering bonus footage. I'd like to thank Who's Your Daddy from Mad Ponies Garage for this video.